By now, you've seen how amazing these AI advertisement videos look. You can create ads using your own brand name or even for any company. If you want to work online, creating AI ads is a great opportunity because it's now easier than ever. Whether you want to promote someone's product, explain a product's features, launch a new perfume, advertise a watch, showcase running shoes, or market any other product, you can easily create professional advertisements using this website. In this complete course, I'll show you everything step by step. If you want to display your course name, your channel name, your brand name, or any custom text in the ad, I'll provide the prompt for you. Wherever you see 0 to viral in the prompt, simply replace it with your own brand name, channel name, or any text you want. That's all you need to do. The rest of the prompt stays exactly the same. You can also use this skill to work online. Learn how to create AI advertisements for companies. Offer your services to clients. So, let's get started and learn how to create trending AI advertisement videos using Seedance 2.5. Alright guys, first of all, open Dreamina. It's an amazing website. The first thing you need to do is sign in using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see an interface like this. Today, I'll show you Dreamina Seedance 2.5, ByteDance's latest AI video model, now launching globally on Dreamina. In this video, we'll explore its powerful new features, including 50 reference assets, 30-second video generation, smart editing, multilingual support, and see whether it's truly one of the best AI video tools of 2026. First, you need to create a prompt. I'll provide all the prompts in the description or the comments, so you can simply copy and paste them. Let's start with a perfume advertisement. Click AI Video and select Dreamina Seedance 2.5. Paste the first prompt here and click Generate. In a few moments, the video will start generating. It won't take too long, and the results are really impressive. Make sure you've selected AI Video before generating. Now, the first video is ready. Let me show you the result. As you can see, the video looks great, but if you look closely at the perfume bottle, there's no brand name or logo on it. To fix that, I have another prompt. In this prompt, you can replace 0 to viral with any brand name or logo you want. Just type your own brand name and you're good to go. I'll paste the updated prompt now, and the new video will start generating. By the way, Seedance 2.5 delivers excellent results. Whether you want to create cinematic films or high-quality product advertisements, it's a fantastic model. Many people are making money online by creating AI ads for businesses, so this can be a great opportunity for you as well. Now the updated perfume video is ready. As you can see, the 0 to viral logo appears on the perfume bottle, and it also shows up at the end of the video. The branding looks much more professional. Let me play the video so you can see the final result. Next, I'll copy and paste another prompt for a pair of shoes. Don't worry, all the prompts will be available in the comments, so you can use them yourself. As soon as I paste the shoes prompt, the video starts generating. You can already see the 0 to viral logo on the shoes. This is how you can create promotional videos for your own products. You can encourage people to buy your shoes, highlight their features, or create any type of advertisement you want. Now, let's create one more example using a watch. I want to make a watch advertisement with my own branding. I'll paste the watch prompt, and the video will begin generating. It only takes a short time. Don't forget to like the video. The watch video is now ready. As you can see, the 0 to viral logo appears at the beginning, on the watch itself, and in multiple places throughout the video. The branding looks complete and professional. Now the next question is, how do you change the reference? If you want to replace the 0 to viral logo in the image with your own logo or brand, I'll show you exactly how to do that in the next step. Now comes the most important step. Here, on the watch, you can see the 0 to viral logo. Let's say I want to replace it with Dreamina or any other brand name of my choice. So, what do you need to do? First, select Seedance 2.5 in Dreamina. Then click on Smart Editor, which is located below. Once you're in the Smart Editor, upload the video you just generated. After the video is uploaded, click on Edit with Masks. Now I'll play the video. The first thing I want to do is replace 0 to viral with Dreamina. I'll crop the area first, then click the mask tool and mark the logo that I want to replace. After that, I'll click Add to Chat. Now the first marked area has been selected. I'll repeat the same process for the other places where the 0 to viral logo appears. I'll mark each one so that all of them can be replaced with Dreamina. This is the reference to video feature. It allows you to change or customize any part of the video however you want. Once everything is selected, I'll enter my prompt and click Next at the bottom. The video will start generating. It only takes a short time, so you won't have to wait long. Now the video is ready, and the result is absolutely amazing. As you can see, 0 to viral has been successfully replaced with Dreamina, exactly the way we wanted. This shows how powerful the reference to video feature is. You can customize your branding however you like. Seedance 2.5 is one of the best AI models for creating high-quality AI videos. Now we've successfully changed everything we wanted. Next, I'll show you the main feature of this tool. Now let's come to another amazing feature. One of the most powerful features of Seedance 2.5 is its support for up to 50 references in a single generation. You can use up to 30 images, 10 video clips, and 10 audio files at the same time. Simply provide all your references, and Seedance 2.5 will combine them into one consistent video while maintaining the characters, style, motion, environment, and audio direction you want. I'll click on Upload and select a couple of videos. Then I'll also choose several images and even add the audio that I want to use. Simply upload all of your files here. I'm selecting different images just to demonstrate how you can use up to 50 references in a single project. One of the biggest advantages is that Dreamina can also turn your static images into animated videos. For example, if I have a 3D image, Dreamina can animate it and convert it into a video. Whether it's a 3D product, a cartoon character, or any other type of image, it can bring it to life. Now I've added all my 3D perfume images and all the other references I want to use. You can upload up to 50 references together. Then I'll simply type a prompt like, create a teaser or promotional video using all 50 references. After entering the prompt, I'll click Generate. It only takes a short while for the video to be created. As you can see, the video is now ready. It has combined everything. Images, videos, and even the 3D images have been animated beautifully. This is how you can create impressive AI videos by using up to 50 references in a single project. And Dreamina offers unlimited access to the entire Seedance model family with one affordable subscription. Dreamina Seedance 2.5 starts at just $97 per second, while Seedance 2.0 is at only 66 cents per second. You can also save 40% with a yearly membership, plus an extra 32% discount on Seedance 2.5. Check the link in the description to get started, or comment Dreamina and I'll send you the link. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back next time with more exciting AI tools, exclusive deals, and special offers for you. See you in the next video.